Sanrio characters Contribution Day blind boxes. Live and Dive got one. Contribution Day blind box. We are opening Liv's box first. She wants the Cinnamoroll, one that he's a doctor and milk. Is his patient so adorbs? So we purchased this from Maniki Nico. Let's see what I got. Liv. Oh, is it Kuromi? Never mind, it's Kitty. She is cute though. Her card. She's a flight attendant. Last one, Dive's box. Dive wants the Pomp and Purin one with the motorcycle. Please be Pom-Pom. Shift, 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 shift. Another kitty. Nor.